Good morning, Mom. We are the PSN Filipino student. We would like to interview you to gain insight to what makes a good teacher. So this interview will take about 2 to 5 minutes, and your responses will be valuable in our activity as the subject of Ed2. And we ask for your permission to record this interview so that your responses will be captured accurately. So if you're ready, we can begin the interview.
Okay. So here's the question, ma'am. What do you think are the most effective characteristic of being a good teacher?
Okay, for me, is the good characteristic of being a good teacher is first is you have your communication skills with the students. Also, you have to adapt your adaptability with the students, your patience dealing with the students, and of course, your being effective communicator to them.
Okay. So the next question. Next, ma'am, how do these characteristics affect student learning outcomes?
Okay, it will affect student learning outcome is for the students, they be able to have a collaboration with the teacher. Okay, collaborate.
So last question, ma'am. What are the advices you may give to us as a teacher educator?
I can give advices to you as a future educator is be patient with yourself.
Okay. Thank you so much, Mom.
Good day. We are here with a 4th year student from our department, BS Ed Filipino. So, ma'am, can we ask some questions? Okay, go ahead. What do you think are the characteristics of being a good teacher?
Para sa akin, ang isang epektibong guro ay isang guro na nagtuturo mula sa puso at sa kanyang isipan. Kasi ang pagtuturo ay hindi lamang sumasaklaw sa isang parte o isang aspeto, kundi ito ay sumasaklaw sa iba't ibang aspeto kung paano mo tuturuan at iyong mag-aaral. At para sa akin, ang isang epektibo, gaya ng sinabi ko kanina, ay isang guro na nagtuturo mula sa puso, hindi lang sa bibig, tenga o mata lang ang gamit, kundi may malawak na isipan at pusong mapagmahal sa pagtuturo sa kanyang mga mag-aaral.
Next question, ma'am. What are your advices to us juniors as our senior being a future educator?
So, ang maipapayo ko sa inyo na aking mga junior sa ating departamento ay gaya ng laging sinasabi sa atin na magsipag sa pag-aaral, maging mabuti sa pag-aaral, at magkaroon ng markang sapat na maipagmamalaki natin. At saka, lagi nating isipin na ang ating kinuhang kurso ay hindi basta-basta lang. Hindi ito sumasaklaw sa wikang Filipino lang sapagkat may malawak na kasanayan o may malawak na kailangan pag-aralan sa ating kurso. Kaya sa inyo na aking mga junior ay sana ay palagi ninyong itatak sa inyong mga isipan na hindi tayo Filipino major lang. Ang kurso natin ay hindi madali gaya ng sabi ng iba. Ipakita natin sa kanila na tayo ay may maipagmamalaki at sa hinaharap sana ay makita ko kayo muli, magkita-kita tayo muli at tayong lahat ay isang ganap na guro na. Yun lang.
Maraming salamat po.